Hello everyone, it's been a while since my last upload. So, busy po kasi ako sa aking training and kaya matagal na bago ako nakagawa ng video like this, small recording to update all of you na malugod kong taga-subaybay. Thanks a lot from the bottom of my heart dahil nandyan po kayo na laging nakasubaybay sa akin. And of course, I thank God for this chance today to share something valuable sa mga nakaka-relate po sa akin. So, a little highlights for today, how I overcome the hardship or the challenge as a single mom. Actually, super duper hirap po ang aking dinaanan, lalo pa at mayroon akong dalawang anak na nag-aaral at that time. And I am the sole provider for everything. Yung tipong bawal magkasakit, yung tipong bawal umabsent sa trabaho dahil may dalawang anak kang umaasa o may sinusuportahan kang dalawang anak in a foreign country. So, bawal ang umiyak at ipakita sa kanila na ako'y nanghihina na dahil otherwise that will bring them psychological effects, di ba? So, ako na yung unang magbibigay siguro ng medal sa sarili ko dahil all of those things ay nalagpasan ko. I know some of you there guys are watching na nakaka-relate sa akin. So, laban lang and never ever ever give up. Smile lang and pray. Lilipas din lahat yan, okay? So guys, maraming salamat and I'll end up here. And sa next video ko, I'll tackle my secret, how I overcome all those. So maraming salamat. God bless everyone. Bye. Bye-bye.